Morning. Other than the Nifty levels, do you think the recovery in the breadth will continue?
See, there are different ways. First of all, good morning. The difference way we look at breadth. So I'm more concerned about the breadth in the Nifty top 10 basket. Obviously, we talk when talk about top 10 index on Nifty, it is about the highly weighted Nifty stocks. And I feel when I look at the breadth of this particular basket, they are not showing the double top breakout. They are not giving that big breakouts on the charts. So this is what my concerning part is. Yes, we have seen this month we have seen sharp recovery in index. We have seen sharp recovery in mid caps and small cap also. Mid caps in particular, they are doing well. But this particular basket, I'm more concerned about. I would like to see more participation, more strength coming in the highly weighted top 10 stocks. Then I would be more keen, I would be more, assured of Nifty moving higher from here on.
Okay. I wonder, Pritesh, if you have a view with regard to some of the moves in the broader markets within jewelry. The likes, of course, Titan will likely be buzzing today because of numbers. But outside of that, what do you make of the moves on a Kalyan, for example, on a PN Guardgill, on a Senco? What do you make of those moves and what next? What's in stock?
And rather than focusing on the other stocks from the jewelry space, and Titan is a big boy. We need to focus on that. In fact, when you talk about the discretionary basket, in fact, 3 months back, we were of the opinion that discretionary ratio of discretionary versus FMCG, that ratio, that index is breaking on the upside, and Titan was the one to be leading from front. And last 3 months, stock is ready to 3-6 double digit levels, 4 to double digit levels. And I still feel this stock is not done yet. We can see rally towards 5,000 levels from here on. So talking about strong upside from here on as well. In fact, if you look at the stock performance, back in 2023, 2024, the stock did nothing. It was stuck in the range of 2,000 rupees or so. But now it is breaking out. It's sustaining also. So from here on, I won't be surprised if the stock can rally towards 5,000 levels also.
Pritesh, how do you look at a stock like SBI? I mean, we saw some run up yesterday on the back of good earnings there. Do you see enough steam there in the stock to move ahead from here?
I think stock was it was due for a big move for a long time, and it eventually came out yesterday. But I feel there is more to come because when I look at the multiple ratio charts of SBI versus the PSU bank, SBI versus the even Nifty bank, even Nifty itself, this stock is showing strength. So when I look at from point of view perspective, also we are likely to follow moves coming in. So my long-term target, my projection from here on are towards 1290 1300 levels in SBI.
Okay, that's that on SBI, just counting down to the market pre-open, but lots of stocks which are going to be in focus.
So I think when we look at the EMS basket, it's quite interesting. We have our own customized EMS index. It has completed a classic ABCD reversal, now moving higher. This space has underperformed largely within the broader market space, and I think it is due for a comeback. We have seen stocks from the basket doing well. I won't be surprised even we continue to see more momentum continuing in this space. So when I look something like gains, we can say classic bottoming out process happening there over there. I can see a double top buy taking place on the point figure chart. We can see bullish order breakout taking place. So I think there is more follow through moves going to play out in gains. I'm expecting a move towards 4,400 levels. Another stock from the same basket, Amber, similar kind of structure. In fact, this one was much better in terms of
Embassy Developments is down 3. So those are just some of the names which are moving around. Pritesh, very quickly, the view on BSE. I'm keen to know where you expect the stock to head from here on.
Talking about which stock? I didn't
BSE,
get you.
BSE.
BSE, yes. Capital Market Index. I think it's a very good space to be in. When you look at something like CDSL, even BSE, they are the ones to watch out for. BSE surpassed its previous peak, and I think if I apply long-term projection, if I go through my pointer figure chart, I can see bullish at a breakout coming in, bullish anchor column follow through coming in, a move towards 3900 is possible in this stock.
Okay, that's that on BSE, and that's something that we're going to be looking out for as well. Of course, we'll have the BSE MD and C.
So, as we discussed out of the show, I'm more keen to observe how the top 10 stocks participate, how the breadth picks up. In my customers who are looking at breadth, I still don't see a single double top buy coming on long-term charts of Nifty top 10 stocks. So this is the one to look forward for at least this week. Apart from that, yes, Aurobindo Pharma is one that we've keeping an eye on for a long time. This stock has been moving sideways since November 2025, and it is flirting on the zone of 1240, 1230 for a while now. A move about that could trigger a strong move on the upside. But we are talking about levels of 1400, 1450 at least on the upside. So this is the one to watch out for.
Okay, Pritesh, thank you so much for joining us this morning and giving us all of those calls. Appreciate it.